Welcome everyone to the ADV Orlando channel, where riding on two wheels is always an adventure. And today I'm actually on four wheels doing my video documentary in the wintertime, which is a little bit warmer than sitting on a motorcycle. Today we're going to be looking at two roads that are already connected. The first will be Bloomery Road, traveling along the Shenandoah River. And the second road continues on up to 340. This is actually a pretty good time of the year to record this road because you can see more, there is less traffic, and you can see beyond the trees also and see the river and the surrounding area a little bit better. But it is much busier during the summertime when a lot of people are recreating around the river. In the summertime it is rather lush and green and very nice, beautiful surroundings here. And the river is slow and steady because not too far from here is a Millville Dam, which generates electricity. In the springtime also, this area does frequently flood, so it's something to be aware of. It's why permanent houses aren't down here. And even across on the other side of the river, it floods over there too, and there are like seasonal lots that are usually privately owned over there. Now, when I first got a canoe, I enjoyed paddling around this area because of it being close to the dam. It's fairly flat and wide and not a strong current. But if you're facing a wind and a little bit of current, that can make it tough to paddle upriver. Now, I've seen some people fish through here, but not much. I don't know how deep this is, and I don't know what kind of stuff is on the bottom. So a lot of that plays into whether you're going to enjoy fishing here or not. But the shoreline is fairly crowded during the summer. And if you really want to enjoy this, you're going to have to get out there in the water. Now, coming up ahead in the road here, you're going to see a sharp left turn, and it's going to go uphill, but the rest of the river, which you will not see, becomes rough because of a lot of debris that's over there. And that continues on until it goes around the bend to the left and gets near the dam where electricity is generated. And it's a fairly tall dam, so you don't ever want to try to navigate this. And I don't think there's any way to get around it. So I have never seen anybody go beyond this point in a boat on this river. And if you ever decide to get on this river, don't go that way. Now at the bottom of this hill, you're going to see a sharp left turn, and to the left is going to be where the power station lines are. And to the right is going to be the river, where it's just below the falls. And this is also an area where the river and trail folks like to drop off their people for tours. Usually rafts and inner tubes is what you'll see those folks in. There's also a camping and slash cookout area in the little gravel parking lot here that a lot of people just gather there. They fish and they just hang out and swim in the river. This is probably one of the most congested areas of this whole river, this section of the river anyway. Now we're about to lose sight of the Shenandoah River for the rest of this video because the road will continue up into Millville. But to the right is a straight shot all the way down to the Potomac River where the Shenandoah River ends. And this will be in historic Harpers Ferry, West Virginia. But it will not be an easy run. I've done it before. Bull Falls is involved. It's only about 3 or 4 foot high. It's not really even a class 3 rapid, but it does require, if you're going to enjoy yourself doing this, you want a good watercraft and some skills to go with it. Don't do it in an inner tube, and don't do it with a large fishing kayak. And after you've gotten through the rapids, there's going to be another challenge, which is finding a place to park a vehicle beyond here where you can pick up your watercraft. So other than that, this is really a cool thing to do, a cool place to ride the river. And I was glad to throw some of these tidbits in on part of my road documentary. And always remember to ride what you have whenever you can, wherever the road takes you.